Hello everyone and welcome back to Vadi Joseph channel. Today we are going to be replacing the washer fluid sprayer on a 2002 to 2007 Saturn Vue. Today you're going to need a prong puller thing, like a trim pusher. Anyway, and also you're going to need some brains. Let's get into this, shall we? So what you're going to do is there are 1, 2, 3, 4 push up things. Push trim pullers things. I'll just call them push ups. So you're going to lightly, with a little force, pull them up. I'll do it in a minute. So let's put the tool on the floor so we don't drop it into the engine like I did with other tools, which I had to get back because I was doing the spark plugs behind here. Ruthenium NKG. Anyway, it was an aftermarket kind, like high performance. So all you gotta do is pull it up, flip it over, pull the nozzle. There we go. Pull it from the start of it. There you go. Hold on, focus camera. Hold on. There we go. And then you're gonna put your new piece on. Make sure it's snug. And while you're doing this, make sure to buy an cabin air filter. They're very cheap. Make your car smell better. You can also get the Arm & Hammer ones that have like a fragrance to them. Now I just took the regular one because it's cheap. So anyway, it was a Fram, so I definitely recommend buying one of them. I'll put one in the description here. All you gotta do is pull on that tab, push it forward, and there you go. So I guess this is a dual video. So it was a Fram. Come on, what's with this camera and not wanting to focus today? Okay, it's a CAF 1762. It's made in China and the airflow is that way. Make sure to do the arrows or else you won't get a clean interior. So push that in. Come on. Come on, hold on. Okay, that's popped back in. I think I should just name this video how to replace cabin air filter, and then just put in the description a bonus video, because you know what, I'll think about it. But anyway, just put this there, get your pull-ups, poke them back in. There we go. They're a little stiff to get in because it's cold today. There we go. 2. Hold on, the other one's in my pocket. There we go. That one's the most difficult to get. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and watch out for the next videos. So, watch the vids.